December of 2011, I was diagnosed with stage 4 of prostate cancer that had metastasized throughout the axial skeleton with various tumor masses and rib here and there throughout the body. And the oncologist or the radiologist said that in December of 11 that he would expect to see me within weeks or a couple of months for pain. He could not help with cure, but could deaden pain for me. The oncologist said that based on the aggressiveness of the disease, he said you would have maybe 3 years.
My name's Ivan. My wife's Aliha and me have been married for 46 years. We were actually on a world trip, 2 up on a motorbike. She was tired and then she said, don't know why, she said, but my skin is getting yellow, my eyes are getting yellow. And she said to me, I think I need to go to the hospital. The ultrasound report came back that she had a tumor. They said, you're fortunate, it's on the head of the pancreas and not the tail. We will need to do surgery. The doctor came and informed me that they couldn't remove the tumor. They performed a bypass, and your wife is now on palliative care. And I asked them, how long do you think she'll be? And they said, it will be very quick. Think months, don't think years, right? I said, is there anything you can do for her? They said, we can do chemo, but there's no point. It'll only be worse.
This has been a court of last resort for many people. I know people that came here with rheumatoid arthritis, wheelchair bound, and they came for treatment, and they became hikers, and I met many people from the Middle East, from Europe, around the world, wonderful people that had some extreme conditions that other people couldn't figure out.
When I was told I was in the palliative care, so to me it's just waiting for God, right? But my husband has decided to take me somewhere, right? Him and my doctor, Dr. Pushpa, decided to come here for my treatment.
Then she started her treatment. Dr. Rao changed her medicines from tablets to drops. And slowly it got better and better. And then every day we came to the clinic and people were telling her, you look better today, you look so much better. And then one day in the hotel, I suddenly realized, and I said to her, welcome home, Zaliha. You're actually there now. You're starting to change back. And that was virtually a U-turn, where she changed from a non-believer to a believer.
In my case, I received what is called the Frankenhauser shot. And that means they inject some material into the ganglia. In my case, it was the prostate bed. So a needle would go over the pubic bone and zoop down. Now, I signed up for a 3-week stay, and after 2 weeks, the PSA markers started to decline. When I returned in 2013, my PSA was 0.3, which was a remarkable change for me given my condition.
So after about a month, we went for another, what do you call it? Ultrasound. And everybody was excited there. The doctor immediately rang Dr. Rao and told him how much her tumor had shrunk. And we were overjoyed. And then probably another month later, we did another one. Showed a reduction again. And just yesterday, we've done the final one before we go home. And the doctor had difficulty finding the tumor. Right? And she kept saying, I can't really define the perimeters, but I'll give you an approximate size. She said it's very hard now to find it. It's now 80% gone, which is a miracle from 3 months. Right? But the biggest change has been in her herself.
Nutrition, building the immune system, building the microbiome, the digestive tract, very, very important to help you feel better, function better, and combat whatever's going on with you. This is an approach that is a little more holistic than you find with the Gatling gun approach of drugs and chemotherapy. And that has its place perhaps, but this, I believe, is more robust and more contributive to overall well-being, to build your body, to maximize its potential to deal with whatever it has to deal with. Emotionally, physiologically, this is a place to be.
It's a complete package.
The nurses and the doctors, right? And everybody, even the driver and everybody here are sort of so interested in my well-being, right?
The people here are efficient, friendly, courteous, and very approachable. The facility is magnificent. They have a wonderful dental clinic. I have dentist friends in the US. A dental surgeon says that he envies the equipment and the methodologies that he finds in Switzerland.
I'm going to miss them all when I go.
The place has become like home for us, to be honest with you.